Hi friends! Welcome to Fun Songs, where we sing, learn, and play every day.
Come along, come sing with me, let's learn our ABCs. But this time it's extra special too. We'll meet animals rare, let's see who's who. A is for eye with fingers so long, tapping on trees where bugs belong. B is for Binturong with a popcorn smell, high in the trees where they love to dwell. C is for Chimpanzee, swinging with glee, playing in groups, wild and free. D is for Dhole, a wild red dog, hunting in packs through misty fog. E is for elephant, mighty and grand, with flappy ears and trunks that stand. F is for frog, some color so bright, croaking by ponds in the soft moonlight. G is for gorilla, strong and wise, drumming their chest under jungle skies. H is for hawksbill turtle, with shells so neat, gliding through coral reefs on flippered feet. I is for ibis, wading in streams, with long curved beaks catching fishy dreams. J is for jaguar, stealthy and bold, spotted coat shining, stories untold. K is for kakapo, a parrot that walks at night, it comes out, softly it talks. L is for lemur, with eyes big and round, leaping through trees without a sound. M is for manatee, gentle and slow, nibbling on seagrass down below. N is for newt in bright orange dress, hiding in forest, causing no mess. O is for orangutan, building a nest, high in the treetops, taking a rest. P is for panda, munching bamboo, black and white fluff saying hi to you. Q is for quokka with a smiling face, hopping around its island place. R is for rhino with horns so tough, marching through grasslands big and rough. S is for snow leopard, spotted and shy, climb cold mountains up so high. T is for tiger, orange with stripes, roaring at night, what a sight. U is for Wakari, the bright red face, swinging on vines from place to place. V is for Kita, so tiny and rare, swimming in seas with gentle care. W is for whale shark, largest of all, with mouths wide open, eating small. X is for Xerus, an African ground squirrel, dashing around in a quick little whirl. Y is for yellow-eyed penguin, waddling along, singing its own funny penguin song. Z is for zebra duker, shy and small, short like a zebra but not very tall. Now we've learned our ABCs, with creatures from land, sky, and seas. Let's care for them, keep them safe and strong, so they'll dance and play their whole lives long.
Bye-bye, friends! See you next time on Fun Songs! Don't forget to subscribe! See you in next video!